The shooters are going to load up here in the Juarez, Pilates, and see if they can go up and if the winds are favorable to try another parachute demonstration.
Walter, our co-founder and president, our number 2 jumper, with 2,000 jumps, our vice president. She's a superstar skydiver. She's flying the Patriotic Spirits flag, our sponsor, Patriotic Spirits. Check them out. Yvette Walter. Our number 3 jumper from the great city of Chicago, flying the Department of Defense banners with 600 plus jumps. Let's give it up for Josh Hitchcock. And our number 4 jumper. We salute them. Deployed around the world 24/7. They can start to hear you. Let's give it up. Right here. With our Coast Star flag, our team president, welcome them back to Earth. A true American hero, Lieutenant Colonel retired, Chief Walter, right here. Our number 2 jumper. With the Patriotic Spirits flag. Let's give it up. She can hear you right there. Our co-president, Yvette Walter. And flying an incredible POV banner. Let's give it up for Josh Hitchcock right here in Monroe. And our number 4 jumper with the POW MIA flag. A salute to those who never return. He can hear you now, folks. Let's give it up for him. And let's give it up for those POWs.